I'm Julie and welcome back to my Interactive Devices unboxing channel. Today I will be unboxing the Logitech K830 keyboard and this is designed to pair with the Oculus Quest. As part of this I'll also be trialing some of the new features in Oculus Quest that allow you to put out your tabletop in the Quest headset. So I'll be using that. I'm going to try to do that all with my hands today, using the hand input instead of controllers, but I do have my controllers here to hand just in case I need them later. If you haven't already, I've already tried the couch feature in the new Oculus Quest setup, and it actually works really nicely. So I'm really keen to try what it's like with the table, maybe even see if I can get some virtual displays up here in my workspace. In a very unusual way, I've actually got my table here really clear so I can lay out that plane, get my table into my virtual environment, and hopefully a new keyboard. So to start, I'll just get this out of its box. Not sure if these, no, those are just for hanging. I don't have much by way of fingernails, so this is always a little hard to get this stuff off. Okay. That's nice. It's got a little tab so you can like pull it off without too much stress. Okay, there's 3. All right. Let's see. Let's throw that aside. Well, this is nice. It's like in tissue paper. Okay, get that out of here. Okay, there's some labels here that look important. It's a setup guide. We'll come back to that. This is the USB, I guess, if you're using this not wirelessly, but I can't get it out. Cable. Yeah, this is the little buddy you don't want to lose. So we got that. And another cable. Oh wow, this has got like a weird kind of USB little buddy. Okay, not sure. We'll come back to these other things. I hope this is charged because I want to try it right now. This is nice how this is packaged with tissue paper. Okay. Okay, otherwise that looks nice. Okay, it's kind of a sateen kind of finish. Not too heavy. There's a trackpad with some mouse buttons there. I always see the full-size keyboard. There's not a separate number pad, but maybe you don't need that for this. Okay, so I'm going to put this here. Should I read the instructions? I'll have a glance. Let's see. I kind of just want to turn it on and just start using it. Let's see. What does it say for step 1? Okay, this is all about how to plug it in, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to see if it will turn on by itself. Oh, here we go. Here's a button. Oh, that looks like it's on. Okay, I'm going to move this stuff out of the way so I can get my table set up here in Quest. All right, so I'm going to go into the Quest, but I'm going to also cast from here so you can see what I'm seeing. It's not that much fun to just watch someone dick around in a VR headset without seeing anything else. So let's see what we got. Okay, I see my controllers there, but actually I don't want to use those, so I'm going to move them out of sight. I want my hands. There we go. Okay, so I've got my hands. What I need now is to put my table in. To put my table in, I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to use the controllers, but we'll try and do it with his hands because that's what I want to do today. But before I do anything, let me start casting this. Let's see. I always have a little bit of trouble doing this. Come on. Where's the menu gone? Come on. Why can't I select that? I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it without controllers. Okay, something weird's happening. Can't select any of these items. Is that my stuff working here? Yeah. So why can't I select? There we go. Oh, it's just a little bit hard. Okay. Cool, so now we're recording in here, so you'll be able to see what I'm seeing, and I'm going to try and get the desk working. I'll have to go to settings for this. Experimental features. So actually, you can kind of see my couch is down over there. I want to put my desk in. Let's put my desk. Okay. Oh, yeah. As I thought, I'm gonna have to switch to controllers to do this. That's all right. Excuse all this mess everywhere. Let's see. Okay, we're in. Oh, they're backwards though. Okay, we're in my desk surface. Oh, I did not click. I want to start there to there. It's a little bit too. It's gotten in some kind of weird mode. That looks pretty good to me. What do you think? Okay. Oh, and now I have my desk. This is pretty cool. My menus are all adjusted to kind of be up on this desk. Now you can see my couch a little bit. That's my actual physical couch. Okay, I'm gonna put these out of the way again. Try and get my hands back. If it will let me have my hands back, but they need to be like fully out of sight. Okay, let's get my hands back. There we go. Okay, usually takes a couple tries. Now, I want to get this keyboard working. So let's go in here. The menu's a little high up now for my taste, but it's okay. It's kind of a little bit too high in my eye level and it's tilted back if you see, so it looks a little odd. But let's see if we can get this keyboard in here. Oop. Pair. Pair new device. How to know what is going to be this keyboard? I probably need to get it into pairing mode. But none of those look like it. Oh, it's not necessarily on, maybe. Now it's on. Will it appear? No, okay, I probably need to hit a button somewhere to get this into pairing mode. I don't see anything obvious. I need to look at the instructions. This might not work. It says Bluetooth on the box. Okay, I'm gonna just see if I can Google this. Yeah. This isn't really helping. I don't see anything that looks obviously like Bluetooth. Oh, what's this? There is a Bluetooth button. I wonder if I hold this. That looks like pairing mode to me. Should have just looked at it in the first place. Let's see. Okay, let's get the recording, the casting started again. It's not very easy with hands. Oh wait, this is this one. Okay, we're recording? I don't think we are. Oh, it says we are. Okay, we're recording. We'll see how that goes. So now you see here, I can see that that's still flashing. Oh, there it is, K380. K830, that's the one. Pair, Bluetooth pairing code. Type the pairing code, okay? Let's see if I can do this with... Okay, and then push enter. See your hands while typing, okay. Oh, this is amazing. Ah, wait, it was there for a sec. Where'd it go? It literally was there for a moment. Why is it gone again? Did I lose it? What's happened? It was there. Let's try this again. Oh, that was so exciting until it stopped working. I don't know if you guys saw it, but my keyboard was here. It looked great. I want it to come back. Did this just turn off? Is this maybe dead? I don't know how much like life it has. There it is. Oh my god. Oh my. This is amazing. Okay, we'll hit OK here. Now, this, I don't know if you can see so I'm recording, but here is my desk. I can see my hands. The hands actually come in through the pass-through view as I'm close. So you can see, like, you know, this is my actual hands here. And the lining up is pretty good. But let's see, I don't have anything I need to type at the moment. But the switch between my hands and this keyboard are pretty good. This actually reminds me very much of my colleague Mark McGill's work on A Dose of Reality. But these are obviously the asset hands. That's my hands. And then this must not have charge. It must not have come charged. But you saw what that looked like there. I'm going to turn it back on again just because I want to see it again. I'm pretty sure this is just a battery thing. See my hands while typing. Yes, I know. That's amazing. I don't have any... This control is really hard to use. Okay. And of course it dies. But so it doesn't come charged out of the box. That's a little bit annoying. But you saw what it looked like there. You can see my table here. This looks great. I can actually run my hands here along the edge. That looks really good. I'm super impressed with this. I love the keyboard. Wish it came charged out of the box, but it doesn't. But it looks great. The skin looks great. And actually that setup wasn't too bad, except the instructions don't include any instructions for how to set it up with Bluetooth for reasons that I don't understand. But you will find that if you use the function key plus delete, it will actually go into pairing mode, and that works pretty well. So thank you very much for watching my unboxing of the new keyboard here, the I forget the name already, 830 keyboard, and using it with Oculus Quest. I think we're in for a whole new world of really exciting mixed reality applications, good input devices, and actually using the hands felt pretty good throughout.